Alright, last competitor tonight. Here he is. Alex Crest, also known as King, BELCHING. Here he comes, right now! Alright, let's get down to business. Let's hear your best work. Come on, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it! Bring it! I said, bring it.
I will bring it, buddy.
Come on, man, that was big.
That was just a warm-up.
Okay, warm up. Get 3 warm-ups. Let's do this thing. Wait. We think we can do it. I think we can do it. He's the defending champion. Oh, gosh. Nothing.
Last chance.
Here we go. This is all. This is all. Oh, it's a comeback, dude. Oh, my gosh. Do you hear it? Oh. Okay, let's rock.
Let's rock out.
We'll be back after this commercial. We'll be back after this commercial. Hi. This
commercial break has been brought to you by Fred's Hamburger Shop of Potatoes.
We would like to welcome you to come in and buy some potatoes and french fries and burgers. Perfect meal for you and your little boys and little girls.
And I am a proud sponsor of Fred's Meatmeisters. And if you've seen our competitors, the reigning champion of the selling the sports bras, try making french fries out of a sports bra. Not tasty.
Yeah.
And this has been the Belching King.
And we are, I think I s-
No, it's still going.
and we are back. How does it feel, man? One more break, Kenny. Pull it together. Here we go.
How about the ABCs?
All right, let's hear the ABCs.
Okay.
E U B W X Y. Big finish. Big finish. Wait for him. You gotta get ready. Let him get ready. I mean, he's out of breath. He's out of breath. Let him get ready for the big finish. Here's the Z. Did you hit it? Okay.
They probably heard it over in Milwaukee, buddy.
This is all we have for you tonight.
This has been the Burger King
By the way,
and Interview Joe.
I'm just saying, all my videos,
Are so retarded, they're funny.
support this guy. Support this guy. Support him.
Well, it's actually kind of backwards. It says Polamalu, Troy Polamalu from the Pittsburgh Steelers. Yeah!
See this? See this? They're the bombs.
Steelers went down by now.
Support them. Support them, or I will.
There we go. Went to the Super Bowl for the 7th time, buddy. Yeah!
Support them, or I will eat 12 hamburgers. Oh, what now, huh? Huh?
And I'll eat 3. Ha!